Hi everyone, good morning yet again. Signing in here, Punita from Lucknow, India. This is the series where we are discussing how to acquire a millionaire mindset, how to build a resilient mind. Today is day 13 of the 30-day series, and today's topic of discussion here is inculcating a habit of reading. Like our bodies need food, our soul needs meditation. Similarly, our mind needs books. Our mind needs new ideas, which it can rely upon when in a situation that needs us to be finding creative solutions. As a child, I have been really averse to reading books, especially when somebody told me how important it is to read books. I really would find ways to avoid reading. As I grew up and I got into a job, I started with a sales job. There also, reading was not required. I easily sailed through the initial years not reading. As I progressed in the career, it was a mid-management level, and that's where I realized how important it is to stay updated with the industry trends, how important it is to stay abreast with what's happening around you. That's where I realized why reading was important. Willingly or not willingly, I did get into a habit of reading news every day, keeping myself updated. But yes, reading was not the best thing that I ever wanted to do. It's only when you reach a senior level do you realize how crucial it is to be having a habit of reading. Some of the best CEOs will vouch for it that they finish 60 books in a year, which means 5 books a month. More than 1 book a week is what they finish. Yes, I understand a lot of you may not be into a habit of reading, but that's why the audiobooks have become so popular. When you are working out, when you are going for your strolls, your evening walks, when you're cooking in the kitchen, make it a conscious choice to put your headphones on and listen to the audiobooks. My newfound love for these audiobooks has really gone so profound that I actually play it on even while doing my studies or any other recreation activities. Trust me, the more you feed the subconscious mind with positive thoughts, with important lessons that you can learn from others' mistakes, you will be in a better state to make lesser mistakes. After all, wise is the one who learns from somebody else's mistake. When you are watching television, you are helping build somebody else's TRP. You are helping build somebody else's wealth. You are your own hero. You are the lead in your own life story. If you choose to play a side role in your life story, trust me, this time, this moment, this opportunity will never come back again. Use this time to become the hero of your own life. Why should I be a side hero when I have an opportunity of being a hero? Think about it. I hope you liked today's video. I would love to hear from you. I would love to see you become the hero of your life. Share your stories with me. Till then, see you. Bye-bye. Stay safe.